1 o'clock in the morning. Me and Chris sitting inside playing Everybody's Golf on PlayStation 3. Heard loud banging which sounded like it was on our porch. Turns out the concrete has actually had one of the main water pipes burst in the corner. There is water absolutely everywhere. Water's carrying on right down to the end of that street. This is right on the corner. Oh. I'm walking around in bare feet, my feet are freezing.
It's pretty full.
But yeah, the water's pretty thick. It goes right along down to the end of our street. See if I can get a better view from this side. Footpath's absolutely fucked.